Mishpacha. Greetings, Mishpacha. Melky Uriel here. And yes, it's time. It's time to deal with the chickens. Yep. And I'm not chicken. I'm about to deal with the chickens. OMG. Pudding. Okay, this is serious. That means we're gonna wait a minute, who's doing that? It has been verified. It is definitely Puddin that is a rooster. So we're gonna have to change the name from Puddin to Max. What? Did the other one just do it? No, that is only Max, who used to be Puddin. Well, Melky Uriel here once again. I have finished. I've cleaned it all out. We have some fresh hay, some new hay right there. They're back on their perch. They're good, but I've also taken out the other compartment. There was actually room, as far as these compartments are concerned, for at least 15 chickens, because 5 of them will basically huddle in one roost, and that's pretty much it. You see, they all stick together, right? I got a heat lamp here for them for the winter, and so they should be good. If not, we'll find out. So, and I have a bit of news. I was sadly mistaken. I actually thought that that Bop was taken from us. I found a dead chicken cadaver in the coop. Oh. So that was disheartening, because I thought someone took him. They didn't. He fell behind one of their, well, where their bedding is. Couldn't get out. And I guess he just died to death, you know. We'll have to have another memorial service for Bop, you know. I mean, Bop was something else, you know. I tell you, boy, that Bop, hey, boy, that Bop, gonna miss him or her. I should really call her Boppy, right? Because it was a female. But anyway, hey, this is done. So glad you could stick with me. And here they are. They're all good now. And they should be good. I'll come back and check on them from time to time.